Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into the world of Moka.ai, a platform designed to streamline content creation. Imagine a tool that empowers you to generate high-quality content efficiently and effectively. That's precisely what Moka.ai offers. This platform isn't just another content generator, it's a comprehensive solution that caters to a variety of content needs, from social media posts to long-form articles and even marketing copy. One of the key features of Moka.ai is its user-friendly interface. Navigating the platform is intuitive and straightforward, allowing users to quickly grasp the various functionalities and begin creating content almost immediately. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, you'll find Moka.ai's interface accessible and easy to use. Moka.ai leverages the power of artificial intelligence to generate content that is not only engaging but also optimized for search engines. This means that the content created on the platform has a higher likelihood of ranking well in search results, driving more traffic to your website or social media platforms. This SEO optimization is a crucial element in today's digital landscape, and Moka.ai integrates it seamlessly into its content creation process. Furthermore, Moka.ai offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the generated content to your specific brand voice and target audience. This level of personalization ensures that the content aligns perfectly with your overall marketing strategy and resonates effectively with your desired demographic. You can fine-tune the tone, style, and even the specific keywords used in the content. Beyond simple content generation, Moka.ai provides valuable insights and analytics to help you understand the performance of your content. Tracking metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversions allows you to refine your content strategy and maximize your results. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions and continually optimize your content for better performance. In essence, Moka.ai offers a robust and comprehensive solution for all your content creation needs. From its intuitive interface and AI-powered generation to its customization options and performance analytics, Moka.ai equips you with the tools you need to succeed in the competitive world of online content. Check out Moka.ai at https://www.moka.ai to explore its features and see how it can transform your content creation process.